one lot of change has taken place, and all the younger generation and students of the present generation want longer vision, especially in higher education also. Before there was a thinking that the QC degree or someday that was enough, but now what was 10th standard before is degree. Now everyone needs higher education, whatever specialization they take. I think it has got a bright future in the days to come. Our students' education should be aiming at 2050, 2060. So higher education system and institution, what they start, they shouldn't have a thinking of student 2025 how they should be, 2030 how they should be. The higher education should think of our children how they should be in 2050, 2060 when other countries come and compete globally, and our students also are the mainstream, give a good competition to them. It is a global village. So ultimately, the expansion and to go forward to this also is very necessary with the higher education institution, which will benefit them and our country also. Because we get exposure to other nations also worldwide. The world runs on technology now. Automatically, everyone who has studied through some technology is needed. Otherwise, they can't survive in the future days to come. Our higher education should be around 2050, 2060. When 2050, 2060, at that time was a global development takes place. And what are the competition of that time globally? Our younger generation students should have a capacity to participate at that time. That type of education is needed now.